Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. This is the second week of this art cycle and all this can be repeated again. I got a 2 of 5 text CRT that can apply to cosmetics, facial or skincare. If you received one, I have some deals in this video that you can apply it to, but remember it's a limit of 1. And also check the description box for a printable list of all the deals I shared in this video in case you need it when you go to the store. And let's go check out these deals. The first deal I have is buy 2 Maybelline cosmetics, you get $5 back, limit of 1 per week. If you did it last week, you can also do it again this week. Pick up 2 of the Maybelline baby lips, priced at $4.99, and these 2 would total $9.98. We received a $5 off mystery offer that can work with the CoverGirl or Maybelline. Use it, and using the 2 of 5 makeup CRT I received, will drop it down to $2.98 and you get 5 back, making both free and $2.02 moneymaker. The next deal is on CoverGirl Cosmetics. They on buy 2 get $6 back, limit of 1 per week. Pick up 2 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils, priced at $5.79 each. And both eye pencils will total $11.58. You can use 2 $3 CoverGirl eye coupon that we received in today's savings set, and also the $5 off CoverGirl mystery offer. If you have the 2 of 5 makeup CRT, you can add it to this deal, and that will drop it down to 0 and you get $6 back, making these 2 free and $6 moneymaker. The next deal is spend 10 get $5 back on clean and clear facial care, limit of 1 per week. And the cheapest one I can find is priced at $10.29, and that will be the Acne spot treatment. We have a $2.50 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.79 and you get 5 back, making this just $2.79. The next deal I have is on Neutrogena Acne Care, and they're on the deal of spend 15 get $7 back, limit of 1 per week. You can pick up 2 Neutrogena Clear Pores, priced at $8.99 each. And these 2 will total $17.98. We have 2 digital coupons that are coming up. One is $4 off and the second one is $3.50 off. These 2 coupons will come off and drop it down to $10.48 and you get $7 back, making both just $3.48 or $1.74 each. The next deal I have is on soft soap body wash or hand soap, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and when you buy 2 you get $3 back. Pick up 1 refill hand soap, priced at $8.59, and body wash, priced at $6.59. And because of the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the body wash will be the 40% off and the new price will be $3.95. These 2 will total $12.54. We have 2 coupons in our app that is applying to this, and that will be $2.50 off the hand soap and also $2.50 off the body wash. That will take off $5, dropping it down to $7.54, and you get 3 back, making both just $4.54 or $2.27 each. The next deal is on St. Ives body wash. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back, limit of 1 per week. Pick up 2 of the St. Ives body wash, the pink lemonade. I'm sorry I forgot to move the Cremo bottle, but that's the one behind it. It's priced at $5.49. Pick up 2. And both body washes will total $10.98. We don't have any coupons coming up for these 2 products. Pay the $10.98 and get $4 back, making both $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal is when you buy any EOS hand or body lotion, you get $2 back. Pick up 1 of the lotions priced at $11.99. We don't have any coupon, but the 2 of 5 CRT I have is attaching to this. But if you don't have the CRT, pay the $11.99 and get $2 back, making it just $9.99. The next deal is buy 2 get $3 back on any L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner, limit of 1 per week. I'm sharing this deal again because the coupon we had last week expired and we received a new one this week. They are priced at $5.99. Pick up 2. Both will total $11.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon we received today and the 2 off 2 CRT we also received today. The one for last week expired, but we received a new one. The coupon on the CRT will take off 5, dropping it down to $6.98, and you get $3 back, making both just $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal I have will be a baby care deal, and that will be on all baby Dove. They on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 body washes priced at $10.29. The second one will be $5.15. These two will total $15.44. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.44, and you get 3 back, making both just $6.44 or $2.22 each. The next deal I have will be on Mr. Bubble's Bubble Bath or Scientific and Terrific Bath Portion. They're on the deal of buy one get $2 back, limit of 1. You can pick up the bubble bath priced at $7.49, pay the $7.49 and get $2 back, making it just $5.49. Or you can pick up the bath portion priced at $4.29, pay the $4.29 and get $2 back, making it just $2.29. If you have percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it with this deal because they are not on sale. This next deal is not giving back any extra care box, but if you need cotton swabs, the CVS Health brand, the 375 counts are on sale for 2 for $4. Pick up 2, pay $4, and that will make it $2 each. The next deal I have is spend $15, get $3 back, and the Finish Jet Dry is part of this deal. Pick up 2, their price at $7.99 each, and these two will total $15.98. We have a $2 digital coupon, and also check coupons.com. There is another $2 there that you can print out. Using the two $2 coupons, that will drop it down to $11.98, and you get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each, so you get $4 back for buying 2. That will end up making these two just $4.98 or $2.49 each. This deal got better this week, and that's the spend 20 get $5 back. You can pick up 2 of the Cottonelle wipes on sale for 2 for $10. And to complete this deal, pick up the Cottonelle 9 Mega Roll on sale for $10.79. These 3 will total $20.79. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Cottonelle 9 Mega Roll, and we also received a $1 digital coupon for the flushable wipes. These 2 coupons will drop it down to $18.79, and you get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Shopmium for $1 back on the second wipes. That will end up making these 3 just $12.79 or $4.26 each. If you do not want the flushable wipes, you can pick up 2 of the 9 Mega Rolls on sale for $10.79, and the 2 will total $21.58. Use the $1 off coupon we have in our app, then pay $20.58 and get $5 back. Submit your receipt to Shopmium for $1 back, and that will end up making these 2 just $14.58 or $7.29 each. The next deal I have is on Nature Valley granola bars. They're on sale for 2 for $4. No extra care box back. Pick up 2 boxes. We have 2 $1 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $2. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back for buying 2. That will end up making these 2 just $1 or 50 cents each. These next 2 items are not giving back any extra care box, and they're on sale for 2 for $4. Pick up 2. We have 2 50 cents off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 3. Pay the $3 and submit your receipt to Ibotta. 25 cents back on each box. That will end up making these 2 just $2.50 or $1.25 each. Next deal is still not giving back any extra care box, but that will be on Honey Nut Cheerio Street Bars. They're on sale for 2 for $4. We have 2 $1 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 2. Then you submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each box, and also submit your receipt to Fetch for 500 points when you buy 2 boxes, which is almost 50 cents. And after these 2 rebates, these 2 boxes will end up costing just 50 cents or 25 cents each. The next deal I have is on General Mills cereal. They're on sale for 2 for $5, and they are not giving back any extra care box. Pick up 4 boxes. That will be a total of $10. We have 2 $1 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 8. Pay the $8. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back for buying 3. I know you bought 4, but this deal only qualifies for 3 boxes. And if you pick up 3, it's going to be almost the same price because it's on sale for 2 for 5. But if you pick up just 1, it will be $4.99. After submitting your receipt to Ibotta, submit your receipt to Fetch for 1,000 points for buying 3, and that will end up making these 4 boxes just $5 or $1.25 each. The next deal I have is on wheat thins, and they're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, pay the $8 and get $2 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents back on each box. That will end up making these 2 just $4.50 or $2.25 each. Last deal in this video is on the Kit Kat snack size bags. They're on sale for 2 for $8 and it's not giving back any extra care box. Everyone received a 2 of 2 CRT that will drop it down to 6, making both just $6 or $3 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.